Hi everyone, this is Prana Says. For today's lesson, we're gonna talk about biomass.
Biomass is organic material derived from recently living organisms, such as plants, trees, and agricultural waste. The most common biomass materials used for energy are plants, wood, and waste. These are called biomass feedstocks. Its energy can also be an unrenewable energy source. Energy source biomass can be burned directly for heat or convert into liquid or gaseous fuels. It can be used for heating, electricity generation, and transportation. Next is renewable energy. Biomass is considered as a renewable energy source because it can replenish over time through natural processes. In fact, biomass already existed in many centuries.
These are the types of biomass. Wood biomass includes wood chips, sawdust, and bark, often used for heating and electricity generation. Second is the crop residues, stubble, stalks, and other plant parts remaining after harvesting, used for biofuel production. Third are energy crops, plants that are specifically cultivated for their bioenergy potential, such as switchgrass and miscanthus. And lastly, municipal solid waste. These include food waste, yard waste, and paper used for composting or energy recovery. Here are the advantages of biomass. First, it is a sustainable source of energy as it is constantly replenished by natural process. Second, carbon neutrality. Biomass, when sustainably managed, can be carbon neutral as it releases the same amount of carbon dioxide when burned as it is absorbed during its growth. And lastly, it is a domestic resource. Biomass is readily available in the most regions, reducing dependence on imported fuels and contributing to local economies. Biomass conversion processes. First, thermal conversion involves using heat to transform biomass into energy of valuable products. Second, biochemical conversion relies on biological processes like fermentation to convert biomass into biofuels or other bioproducts. Third, thermochemical conversion combines heat and chemical reactions to break down biomass into biofuels or other materials.
Combustions. These where biomass is burned directly to generate heat, which can be used for power generation, heating, or industrial processes. Gasification. The biomass is partially burned in a controlled environment to produce a combustible gas that can be used as fuel. Pyrolysis. Biomass is heated in the absence of oxygen, breaking it down into solid, liquid, and gaseous products.
Biochemical conversions of biomass. Anaerobic digestions. Microorganisms break down organic matter in the absence of oxygen to reduce biogas of digested. Fermentation. Microorganisms convert sugars in biomass in ethanol or other biofuels. Biofuel production. The resulting biofuels can be used in transportation fuels or as feedstocks for chemical production. Environmental impact and sustainability. Greenhouse gas emissions. Sustainable biomass productions can reduce greenhouse gas emissions compared to fossil fuels. Land use. Careful planning is required to minimize the impact of the land use and biodiversity. Waste management. Properly managing byproducts and residues is crucial of environmental sustainability.